Welcome back to my channel, and today we're doing something different, a transformation. Woo! Alright ladies, let's get started. So this is the material you need: a scissor and a cheap razor, and also an oversized shirt. This shirt I paid $5 from Walmart. It is 3XL, the bigger the better. So if you're on the skinny side, 2XL should work, but I got 3XL for my client because she's thick. So I'm going to start off by shaping the shirt, and what I mean by shaping is getting it to have that like fitted body look. So first I'm just going to cut out the collar area first. As you can see, that's what I'm doing. And like, you know, this is for a client, this is not for me to wear. And when I cut out the collar, I did try it on to make sure that it was off the shoulder a lot. So I do recommend for y'all to just like cut it out and then try it on and make sure like it's fitting your shoulder, off the shoulder area properly. So that's what I did. And then after I did that, I did cut off the sleeves, I did cut off the bottom, and I saved that bottom piece because I cut it in like a little like circular shape at the bottom, which you guys are gonna see in this clip. I didn't want it to drag out or show me how I'm cutting it. So yeah, so yeah, this is the part right here. Yep, I'm doing it like in a little circular area, and you guys are gonna see why later. So you just want to do it not too much, not too much. You just want to curve from the edge and then go all the way around to the next side and whatever, and save that little strip for later. Don't cut it, don't get rid of it, save it for later. You see how I lift it up? Because I'm showing y'all gotta save it for later. So just keep watching, and I'll talk to you guys when it's time to get to the next step. So I felt like I needed to come back and just address this issue. So what I'm doing now is I'm flipping that shirt in half so I can get the exact measurements of what I did to the other side. And this is the best thing for you guys to do. I am a seamstress, I do this for a living, and I still go into details where I just want everything to be surprised. So if you want that same exact measurement like the other side and you just don't want to eyeball it, fold it in half. This is a great tip. Just fold it in half and just cut out exactly what you just cut out on the next side to make it completely even. And that's what I'm doing here. I just felt like I just needed to come back and just let you guys know. You feel me? Alright. This video is going way too fast. Now we're on to the next step already. Okay, so basically what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pull the shirt. Why? Because we want this to be so distressed to the T. We want it to just be on point, baby girl. And after I pull the shirt, I do put it on my mannequin because the floor was hurting my back, so I had to put it on my mannequin. So it's on my mannequin, and I'm showing you guys exactly where I'm going to cut in the middle. So if you're doing it on the floor, make sure you have it in the middle because you are doing 3 rows of cutting. Even though I'm going to show you guys 1 row, but you're doing 3 rows in the front and 3 rows in the back. So I am showing you guys exactly where I'm cutting. I'm not going out too big or whatever. Just take your scissors. You can even take a razor. Like, you know those like little cheap razors that you could get from the store or the dollar store? You can take a razor, but I was lazy to go look for some razors, so I did my scissors. So I'm going straight down the middle, and I am measuring it out with my scissors. So as long as my scissor is, that's as long as the cut that I'm doing. And you know, y'all can get creative because I ended up getting creative with this shirt. I just did some cuts big, I did some cuts small. So just keep cutting straight down the middle, and then like I said before, I'll be back with the next step. You feel me? Alright. quick disclaimer, do not be coming for my outfit on my belly in the comments, okay? I just had a kid not too long ago. Belly is not on point, but the belly is on point now. Yes, lost a lot of weight. Anyway, we're on to the next step. So now I'm going to be taking the razor. You see that pink razor right there? I am going to be taking that razor. Don't mind my son in the corner, that little dwarf in the corner. He's just doing a lot right now. But I am taking that razor, and I'm putting it like if I was shaving, I'm shaving it over the cuts. Yes, we got Drake playing in the background. That's the only way I can keep my son calm. Yeah, he likes Drake. Anyway, besides the point, I am going in with that razor because, like I said, we want it to be distressed as possible, and especially if you want to wear this the same day that you're making this outfit. This is like the key thing to just like thin out that material and get it super distressed. So you're gonna go over all the cuts that you did down that middle, and I advise everyone to just like keep, like, as you do your cuts, like once you do one section, because like I said, I did 3 cuts, and you're gonna see at the end what I'm talking about. You want to do the first row of cut, distress it with the razor, and then you're gonna do your second roll of cuts, distress it with the razor, because you don't want to, like, you know, feel like you missed any parts. And this does thin out the it thins out the material to make it like super distressed, because this is a distressed tee. We need it to be distressed, and it gives it like little holes and stuff. Like it just does the damn thing. So anywhere you cut, take that razor and do such that. You see that residue? It's doing the job. It is doing the damn job. You feel me? That's what it's doing. The job. So I did finish the shirt off camera. I did 3 rows of cuts in the back, 3 rows of cuts in the front, because that's exactly what the client wanted. And this is like bare hot gal. So if you're a hot girl and you're bold and you can wear this, wear it. It can also be worn as a bathing suit cover up, anything that you want. And that's pretty much it. I did wash it because after washing it and letting the air dry, the water gives it that heaviness to start making it distress more. So if you have time to wash it, go right ahead. You can even throw it in the dryer on low heat. So that's the final look, and you'll see at the end that my client, she has it on. She wore it with a high waist underwear and some sneakers, and she was just bare hot gal for the summer. So thanks for tuning in.